Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at one of the most advanced dash cams on the market, the THINKWARE ARC 700 4K front and 2K rear dash cam. If you want top-tier clarity, smart safety alerts, and reliable parking protection, this one's a serious contender. Let's check it out. 4K front and 2K rear recording. First up, the ARC 700 captures crystal clear 4K video in the front and 2K resolution in the rear, giving you sharp, detailed footage from every angle, perfect for identifying license plates and road signs in any condition. Built-in GPS with speed and red light alerts. With built-in GPS, it automatically logs your speed, route, and location. Plus, you get speed camera and red light alerts, helping you drive safer and avoid costly tickets. Wi-Fi connectivity and app control. The built-in Wi-Fi lets you connect your phone to the dash cam, view real-time footage, and download videos instantly, no need to remove the SD card. HDR, high dynamic range, for better visibility. Thanks to HDR technology, your videos stay bright and balanced, even in tricky lighting, like tunnels or nighttime glare. It's great for consistent clarity. Parking mode with radar compatibility. When you're away from your vehicle, parking mode keeps watch. It detects motion or impact and records automatically. And with radar compatibility, it can sense movement before it even happens, maximizing protection while minimizing false triggers. Exceptional video quality. The 4K front and 2K rear footage is impressively sharp and reliable in all lighting conditions. Smart safety features, built-in GPS, radar compatibility, and speed alerts make this dash cam feel premium and proactive. Complete package, it comes with a 64GB microSD card and hardwiring cable, so you don't have to buy extras to get full functionality. Price point, it's on the higher end compared to standard dash cams, but you're paying for top-tier performance. Setup complexity, hardwiring can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with car electronics, though the instructions are clear. Overall, the THINKWARE ARC 700 is a powerhouse, sleek design, ultra-clear video, and smart protection both on and off the road. If you're serious about safety and video quality, this dash cam is worth every penny. Backhand index pointing right. Check it out using the link below. And see why so many drivers are upgrading to the ARC 700. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest tech reviews.